Pabalik. Kami niya na ramen. Kasi tinaman na kami.
Ha?
Were you gonna build?
Oh, slide. No naman. Slide lang.
Carlos.
Got it. Gonna get it done today.
1 kilometer in, it's already brutal. We passed by VK route of Parawagan. It's gonna be a long one today. At least 30k. With so much gain. It's gonna be a long day. It's 8 of us. It's gonna be fun. Strong team.
The plan is to start at 5:30 a.m. To warm things up, we headed to the VK route of Parawagan. So it already got our veins pumping. We knew it's going to be a long day, so we didn't waste so much time taking pictures. We knew it's going to be arduous, especially for the newbies. There's going to be a lot of steep ascents and descents. It's relentless. Your knees, toes, back, calves, and pretty much every part of your body will hurt. Thick foliage, boulders, gravel, mud, and lots of mud will make this harder. Not too shabby.
Okay, we finally made it to Parawagan Summit. Here's the gang. It was brutal. Took us 45 minutes to get here. And practically more of power hiking. Choy was racing and he was really fast. I was really slow. These guys are fast. The youngsters.
Name topless.
Pork chop did it well. Yeah, we're just waiting for Ram and Russ. This is their baptism of fire.
Muddy going here, but now I think it's done. I mean, now we're going up. Easy?
Yeah. It's Kevin enjoying his chocolate delight. We can't exactly run because of the mud, so you have to wipe it from time to time. It's a very sticky type.
trail. Can you imagine if you step in that, it goes all the way to your knee.
I don't know what happened to Russ. I hope it's okay. I hope he sees the marks. But hopefully when we get back, we'll see him. Everyone's hanging out. How far we are. There's Wawa. Okay, we're finally going back. We didn't proceed to Puro anymore because, well, we got lost and only to find out it was so far. It's okay, we already had a good mileage. We'll do more than 42 once we complete everything. We're low on supplies, but we're still good. I mean, we're still motivated to go back. Just a bit tired. We'll keep pushing though.
Most people worry about failure so much that they never try something new or difficult. It's clear that if you misjudge a situation, you won't get a second chance. By rationalizing risks and determining something that is horrible or dangerous is a premise that eventually comes down to confidence in abilities to do something in the right way. Failure is a tool to success. If we keep this in our mind, we all have all the confidence in our abilities and might reframe our own idea of what hardship or risk is.
Yeah, pull boys. Kervin, pull boys. We are still killing it.